Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you awake?
Yes, I am.
We need food today.
Grocery store?
No, farmer's market.
Good idea.
What do we need?
Fresh vegetables.
And fruits.
Anything else?
Maybe some bread?
And fresh eggs.
I'll make a list.
I'll get dressed.
Don't forget the bags.
Reusable bags?
Yes, we need them.
Where are they?
In the kitchen.
Got them.
Are you ready?
Almost ready.
Let's go now.
I am coming.
It's a beautiful day.
Perfect for walking.
Yes, it is.
Let's hurry up.
Why hurry?
I'm really hungry.
We can eat there.
Let's go then.
Did you lock it?
Yes, I did.
Do you have cash?
Yes, I do.
We are here.
So many people.
It's very busy today.
Look for parking.
Over there.
I see it.
It's a tight spot.
I can do it.
Be careful.
Perfect parking.
Good job.
Let's go outside.
Grab the bags.
I have them.
Let's find vegetables first.
Look around us.
The colors are amazing.
So fresh.
Smell the strawberries.
They smell sweet.
Let's buy some later.
Focus on the list.
Right, let's go.
What is first?
We need carrots.
And spinach.
Let's walk this way.
Lead the way.
That stall looks good. Let's check it out. It smells like earth.
Real nature.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Welcome to my farm.
Your vegetables look beautiful.
Thank you. They are fresh.
Are these organic?
Yes, 100% organic.
I need carrots, please.
How many carrots?
A large bunch, please.
Here you go.
Do you have spinach?
Yes, right here.
It looks very green.
Picked this morning.
I'll take a bag.
Anything else?
How about tomatoes?
Very sweet today.
5 tomatoes, please.
Excellent choice.
How much is that?
That is $15.
Here is 20.
Your change, $5.
Put it in here.
In your bag?
Yes, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Hello, sir. Fresh bread?
Yes, smells amazing.
Baked this morning.
What do you have?
Sourdough and rye.
Any sweet bread?
Yes, cinnamon rolls.
Sounds perfect.
Would you like one?
Let's do 2.
For you and your wife?
Yes, she loves cinnamon.
Great choice.
What is this bread?
That is garlic sourdough.
Oh, I love garlic.
It's very popular here.
I'll take 1 loaf.
Should I slice it?
Yes, please. Thick slices.
No problem.
Thank you.
Here is your bread.
How much total?
That will be $12.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Keep the change.
Have a wonderful weekend.
You too.
Excuse me, hello?
Hi there, welcome.
You have many jars.
Yes, different types of honey.
Can I taste it?
Of course. Try this one.
What is it?
It is clover honey.
Very sweet.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's really good. Can I try another?
Try the orange blossom.
Oh, this is special.
Very floral taste.
I love this one.
It's my favorite too.
I will take it.
1 jar of orange blossom?
Yes, please.
That's $8.
Here is 10.
Your change. Thank you.
We finally got coffee.
Let's sit down here.
It's a nice spot.
We can see everything.
The sun feels warm.
Here is your roll.
Thank you. Let's eat.
It's still soft.
And very sweet.
Goes well with coffee.
Absolutely. I feel happy.
Me too. Very relaxed.
I love Saturday mornings.
Better than sleeping in?
Much better.
Look at those dogs.
They are so cute.
Everyone is smiling here.
It's a good community.
Are you full?
Yes, I am.
Finished your coffee?
Almost. Just a minute.
No rush at all.
Ready to walk again?
We still need eggs.
I saw eggs over there.
Let's roll.
Okay, grab the bags.
Heavy bags now.
My big, strong husband.
Always here to help. Hello. Beautiful flowers today.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can I look around?
Of course, take your time.
I need a bouquet.
For your lovely wife?
Yes, to surprise her.
What is her favorite?
She loves sunflowers.
Sunflowers mean happiness.
Exactly, just like her.
We have fresh ones here.
They are huge.
Grown locally, very healthy.
Let's do a bunch.
Just sunflowers?
Maybe some white flowers too.
White daisies look beautiful together.
Add some daisies, please.
Excellent combination.
Wrap them nicely, please.
Sure, brown paper looks natural.
I agree. Very rustic.
Here's your bouquet.
It's perfect. How much?
$18, please.
Here is a 20.
$2 change. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you so much.
What did you buy?
Close your eyes.
Why? Tell me.
It's a surprise.
Okay, eyes are closed.
Open them now.
Oh my goodness, sunflowers!
For my beautiful wife.
Tom, they are gorgeous.
You like them?
I love them. Thank you.
Smell them.
They smell like sunshine.
Let's keep walking.
Look at this shop.
Handmade soaps?
Let's buy some soap.
We have soap at home.
This is natural soap.
Okay, smells good here.
Lavender is my favorite.
It helps you sleep.
I will buy 2.
One for the bathroom.
And 1 for the closet.
Good idea. Very smart.
Okay, I paid.
Ready to go home?
Yes, let's head back. The trunk is full.
We bought a lot.
Healthy food for the week.
Can't wait to cook.
You are cooking tonight?
I am making pasta
With the fresh tomatoes.
and fresh spinach.
Sounds amazing.
Garlic bread on the side.
I am hungry again.
We just ate.
It's the market air.
Ready to drive?
Yes, put your seatbelt on.
Seatbelt is on. Let's go.
Great morning, honey.
Best morning ever.
We should come every week.
I agree. More cinnamon rolls.
And more beautiful flowers.
It's a date then.
Every Saturday morning.
Our new tradition.
I love it. Let's go home.
Home sweet home.
Drive safely.
I always do.